Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Wish ko,
Makapasok ako bukas.
talagang panado ko dito kasi kayong gabi. No, teka lang, I wish for better friendship in the years to come. And it's very funny because tonight you see, I'm very happy na yung family ko sa Cotabato flew in. This is all unplanned. All unplanned. Tapos nagkataon na na-meet ng family ko, yung mga pinutuloy kong family ko rin sa Manila based. And
Thank you.
it started from, sabi ko, few hours na ako sa Manila, so I'm not meeting anyone. So, pag-chill lang ako. Then sabi ko, no, I want to see Mama Ping. Sabi ko, for my birthday. I want to be with Tina for my birthday. Sabi ko, no, I want to meet also the Ann family for my birthday. Sabi ko, ay, ko, teka, kami yung family ko, so si Papa DJ. Teka, si Papa Mons. Tapos, it keeps going. Sabi ko, you know what, just celebrate with them. Kasi karamihan sa inyo, wala kayo doon sa event ko last year sa Cotabato City.
Yes.
Sabi ko, it's time for them. Kailangisip ko yun. And I think this table is full of people na we started from being strangers. So, kami yung nakikis, stranger kami dati. Ang family, stranger tayo dati. Kami ni Papa Mon, stranger kami dati. Ivan and Tanya, seatmate lang kami sa Cebu Pacific dati.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Destiny.
Seatmate kami, nag-usap sila sa
Mahal na namin ang isa't isa. Like a brother.
Nag-usap kami sa aeroplano, nag-usap sila ng kanilang bakasyon sa Australia, first time nila, narinig ko sila. I gave them tips. Sabi ko, gawin niyo. Sabi, thank you so much. Sabi niya, bro, saan kayo makamura? Saan kami ganito? Ito. Pagdating ng Sydney, nag-text na. Bro, kumusta? Something like that. Sabi ko, ito, ganyan. Sabi niya, yung bakang nila, napakalayo.
Yeah.
An hour. Sabi ko, you know what? You don't enjoy a holiday just like that. Sabi sa kanila, bakante naman yung kabilang room. Go! Sabi ko, pagkakaunan ko ba? Pero may pakinamdam ko sa kanila iba. Sabi ko, yun ang iba damang-dama kong sinseridad. Damang-dama ko. Sabi nila, sabay. Sabi ko, may trabaho ako. Sabay kayo. Sabi ko sa kanila. Sorry, naging topic kayo.
Okay lang.
Then nagtitira sila doon, and then sabi nila pagka-umaga sa akin, Natch, bro, magkano yung room? Magkano? Wala, hindi, may rent, di ba? Walang bayad yan. And I'm not saying this na, to say lang different,
Yeah.
I'm saying this na, we can start great friendship from being strangers.
Yeah.
And look at that.
Napakabait talaga, grabe. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko siya nakakalimutan. Talagang minsan talaga pinag-uusapan namin siya.
Also, and Tito Monch and Papa DJ, these two people, Papa DJ and Papa Monch, I so love them very much. Both of them very special to me. Yeah, so much. Nung nasubayan kami ng bahay, remember that you both were very helpful to me. And family ang sa always Belmont accommodation. Thank you so much. Family ko, but again, thanks so much. I couldn't ask for more. Tonight, simple man, but it's very memorable. Thank you so much.
Lodi, happy birthday.